You installed Home Assistant. You connected your devices. And now your smart home does absolutely nothing on its own. That changes today. In the next 10 minutes, you will build 5 real automations that make your home actually respond to the world around you. No coding, no guesswork, just results. Let's get into it. Here is the honest truth about Home Assistant. The installation is just the beginning. The real power lives inside the automations section. Think of an automation as a simple instruction. If this happens, do that. That is it. Trigger. Action. Done. But most beginners open the automation editor, see all the options, and close the tab. We are going to fix that right now. Every automation in Home Assistant has 3 parts. First, the trigger. This is what starts the automation. A time, a sensor reading, someone arriving home. Second, the condition. This is optional. It is a filter. Only run this automation if something else is also true. Third, the action. This is what actually happens. Turn on a light. Send a notification. Run a scene. Once you understand those 3 building blocks, every automation becomes straightforward. Before we build, make sure you have at least one smart device connected. A smart bulb, a motion sensor, or a door sensor works perfectly. If you are still setting up your hardware, check the link in the description for our full installation guide. Also, if you are accessing Home Assistant remotely, use a VPN. We recommend NordVPN for this. The link is in the description. Never expose your Home Assistant instance directly to the internet without protection. Right. Let's build. Open your Home Assistant dashboard. Click Settings in the sidebar. Then click Automations and Scenes. Click the blue Create Automation button in the bottom right corner. Select Start with an empty automation. Automation 1. Lights on at sunset. This is the most useful automation you will ever build. Click Add Trigger. Select Sun. Then select Sunset. You can add an offset here. Type -30 minutes if you want the lights to come on 30 minutes before the sun actually sets. This is great for South African summers when the light fades fast. Scroll down to Actions. Click Add Action. Select Call Service. Search for light, turn _on. Select your light entity from the list. You can set brightness and color here too. I recommend 70% brightness and a warm white tone for evenings. Click Save. Give it a name. Something like Evening Lights On. Done. Automation 2. Motion Triggered Lights. This one requires a motion sensor. If you have a Zigbee or Z-Wave sensor paired to home,